How to fix blurry stories on Instagram. So if you want to fix your blurry stories on your Instagram, then first you just need to check your internet connection, because while uploading, if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will face that blurry stories problem. So check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, you just need to open up your Play Store. Once you've opened, go for the search, and you need to search for Instagram. And once you've searched, here you will have your Instagram, and if you have any updates under your Instagram, then you just need to simply go for update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Instagram application, go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon. Once you're here, you need to scroll down, and after scrolling down here, you will have an option of data usage and media quality. Tap on that option, and here make sure that you have not turned on the data saver option. And here on the bottom, the second option is upload at highest quality. So you need to toggle that on. And once you've done the settings, now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your blurry stories on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.